Hey, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus 10T. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive over here on OnePlus smartphone and send on an Android at the bottom left corner. Following that, you need to tap on all of those type of dots. And when you're ready, select send here. This way you will choose all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go into photos category over here. Then tap on only one photo, for example this one. Select send and tap on got it. Now on OnePlus you need to click on one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks. And select close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on OnePlus, then choosing one of those options while using the app or only this time, and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here as well, and tap on the receive button instead. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!